Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili in a crock pot. First, brown 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook until it's no longer pink, then drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for flavor. Once browned, transfer the meat directly into your slow cooker. This sets the foundation for a delicious, hearty chili. Next, let's add the core ingredients to your slow cooker. Pour in 2 cans of diced tomatoes, including their juices, for a rich base. Then, add 1 can of rinsed kidney beans and 1 can of pinto beans. Don't forget 1 large chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic for aromatic depth. These ingredients combine to create that classic chili texture and taste. Now for the flavor. Stir in 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Feel free to adjust these to your taste. Once everything is combined, cover your crock pot. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until the flavors are well blended and the chili is thick. Finally, your delicious crock pot chili is ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot chili into individual bowls. This hearty meal is perfect for a cozy evening. Offer a variety of toppings such as shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh green onions. Get ready to savor every spoonful of your homemade, easy-to-make chili.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.